Okay, so in this video we are going to unbox a new air fryer because the Kmart one we did 2 years ago or so, just in time for it to be out of its warranty, has died. Now we use that thing every day, like multiple times a day for 10, 15, 20 minutes at a time, cooking chicken wings, crispy skinned salmon, cheese on toast, just anything, we would be using that. There's a ton of air fryer recipes out there, but basically we got our $100 worth out of that thing. So we've bought a new one. This one's a Kogan one. A couple of people have said that it looks the same as the Kmart one, like it might be the same main body with a different control panel and like a different top and things like that. They say that the trays from the Kmart one fit into it, so that might be a bonus because we've got a couple of sets of trays then. So we're going to go and unbox it. It arrived within, I think, 2 days. We ordered it Wednesday and it was here Friday morning. So yeah, fantastic. We're going to do an unboxing and show you what it's about. Okay, nothing too special. It's a Kogan box. It says the, where are we? 1800 watt digital air fryer oven. It's 8 kilos, but in the carton about 10 kilos. So, anyway, I already opened this up with a knife, and it's a box in a box. Actually, split that out. To a lovely 12-litre digital 1800 watt air fryer oven. There's no information on the box. Let's open her up. Being very careful, of course. This, from what I remember, is exactly how the other one opened up as well. Got instruction manuals there, sorry, I should have noticed that, mentioned that. So I've got quick recipe book and quick start instructions and your warranty card. We have two trays, and they look, I'll get the Kmart ones in a sec, but they look nearly identical, if not the same. A non-stick base plate tray or a drip tray to catch everything that falls down. Now we never used this, but it looks like a rotisserie function. Sorry, that dishwasher is going on in the background there. I'm just going to turn that off. There we go. It'll show up in a sec. So, again, I don't know what that's for, but I think it's something to do with, I don't know. Yeah, we never used the rotisserie function at all. Underneath this, nothing left in there. Okay, we're going to take the whole machine out. Nothing left in the box. Over there. So, the machine now. Looks pretty good. Looks the same. Yep, I can see where everyone gets the commonality from. It looks identical to that Kmart one that we had. This section is different here, but that door section, the side section, even that vent looks exactly the same as the Kmart one. And to be honest, they were about the same price as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if it is the same one, just with a different badge on it. One you can call a Volkswagen and the other one you can call a Skoda. For those car people out there, they're made in the same place by the same company. So, what do we have inside it? I don't remember this many accessories coming with the Kmart one, but I'll have to check my video when I unboxed this to see all the accessories. Like I said, it was a couple of years ago. I'll put a little link into the description where that video actually is. So, pull all this stuff out, some cardboard packaging, rotisserie basket. Actually, I lied. We did potato gems in this basket once, and never again. It worked, but just filling every single occupiable space in the trays was plenty and then you sort of swap the trays here and there to get the potato gems really crispy. That was one little trick, so we never really used that rotisserie more than maybe a couple of times. Bit more polystyrene packaging. Make sure you get all of this stuff out. There's a couple of bits and pieces in there. That's everything out. So what else is in this box here? That I am going to have to look up what that does. Might have something to do with these things, I don't know. That looks like a basket of some sort. Obviously it's got a lot of ventilation in it, and it's a non-stick material itself as well. So, there's a bunch more accessories in here. Including little, I suppose, holders for if you're doing maybe a roast chicken or something like that. Some little things, prongs, I guess you would call them. Okay, let me grab one of the Kmart fryers. The Kmart. So, this is a Kmart tray. And this is the Kogan tray. This one's a little bit thicker that way as well, but does it fit? Perfect. Alright, looks like we've got a couple extra trays then. Alright, that's good. Well, there's the unboxing, folks. There's a lot of recipes online for air fryers. So yeah, don't be scared. For $100, or I think this was 111 or 113. There was like a voucher that we used for signing up now. You get a $5 discount. For the money that you pay for these things, I would definitely give it a go. For the price that you pay and the amount of features that it can do, dehydration, the buttons here, I don't think you can see them on there, but you can cook heaps of stuff in it. You can bake cakes in it. We did banana breads, cookies, anything you use an oven for, you can do in this and more. But it's a lot smaller, it heats up a lot quicker. I would argue that it uses less power because it heats up quicker and it cooks for a shorter period of time. So cumulatively, I think it would actually use less power rather than heating up a big oven. So anyway, have a go and let me know what you think. This is for size reference only. Don't put cans in there, but just so you can see and judge how big it is. 12 litres equals that big. That's a standard 375ml can, which you do not put in your air fryer.
A broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat.